Díoghaibh chuirte agus fáilteaí arás chuig lá séide go Gaeil-ganuary shrá na múnama frása nó fucanúgaigh chuibh chula lá I mí anar. So hello everyone, welcome back to day 16 of Gaeil-ganuary, a series in which I teach you a new word or phrase in Irish every day in January. Frása an léineo, today's phrase. I want to encourage you with this one, and I got reminded of this phrase yesterday, and I'm going to tag the person who reminded me of this phrase. Okay, frása an léineo, today's phrase. Is few agus is féidir. Is few agus is féidir. Meaning, it's worth it and you can. It's worth it and you can. And again, like, maybe you want to encourage yourself, you want to encourage other people. Is few agus is féidir. So whatever you're doing today, whatever you're doing, whether you are at work or whether you've got a lot of work you've got to do at home, or you're learning Irish and you're thinking, oh, can I really do it? And you can. Is few agus is féidir. Mátá sé begúra níos mó gaige ólam, leannig mar na man hóisialta, rinigí na fí sean seo version, share these videos agus feicma máirseamh. Slán go fóill!